In this video, I'll explain you the concepts of initial margin and maintenance margin. These are the two important concepts in margin trading. As you know, in a margin trading, investors borrow money from a broker or a bank to perform a trade. In that scenario, the amount that the investor need to contribute is what we call as initial investment, and when the value of asset decreases, in such scenario, the broker will call for a maintenance margin. So we'll see what these two concepts are. Suppose in margin trading, suppose if this is the total value of an asset or a security, in this part of the amount is contributed by the investor and remaining part he borrows from his broker or a bank. Now when a broker is willing to lend the money, he expects that the investor will bring at least some part of the amount to purchase the stocks. That initial cash which is required from the investor perspective is what we call as initial margin. So the initial margin is expressed in percentage terms. Let us say the broker may ask investor to bring 50% as margin, so that remaining 50% is funded by the broker as a loan. Now we take this an example. Suppose if a security is selling at 210 and investor wants to purchase 100 stocks. So this is 21,000. Now 21,000 is the investment required to purchase 100 shares. Now from this, the investor need to bring in a cash of 50%, assuming that the margin limit is 50%, that is 10,500, and investor will borrow another 50%, that is another 10,500 from broker. Now why is that the broker is interested in lending a loan, and what advantages that the investor will have? So from the investor perspective, so he can purchase additional shares with the borrowed funds, then so that his profit will increase. At the same time, there is a possibility that the losses is also high. On the other side, from the broker perspective, he'll get an increased sales volume, then more commission he will earn, then he also gets interest on a loan, and very importantly, the securities is owned by the broker. Now we'll see how the margin trading works. So suppose you intended to purchase 20 shares of AstraZeneca and at rupees 3,400. So if the total investment required by you is 20 into 3,400, this is 68,000. And you are broking with an account where you have a limit. Let us say your broker gives you a 50% margin or 50% margin. In this case, of the 68,000, you need to invest only 50%. So this is 34,000, and broker will give you a loan of rupees 34,000. So this is total 68,000. Now this 50% what you invested here, the amount of rupees 34,000 is your initial margin. Now if you put this into an accounting equation, so your assets, that is the value of your assets is 68,000, and this equals to your equity, that is the amount contributed by you is 34,000, and your debt, that is the loan or a borrowed amount, is 34,000. Okay. Now if the price of the stock decreases from 3,400 to 3,000, then your your portfolio will be rebalanced. Now you have 20 stocks, this into 3,000, so this equals to 60,000. Now your asset value has become 60,000, whereas your equity and a debt, So debt remains the same. So debt is a 34,000. What is your equity now? Equity is 26,000. That means there is a value of there is a decrease in the value of your equity from previous 38,000 to now 26,000. Now broker has got more money in this. This is 34,000, whereas your equity is only 26,000. In this scenario, broker will call you to bring more funds. So that more funds, what broker calls is a maintenance margin. In the sense, broker always want to keep himself or herself secured, so that whenever the value of the asset decreases, brokers call you for a margin, and this maintenance margin will be less than your initial margin. In the sense, now the broker may put what you mean to say is the maintenance margin as maintenance margin at 30%. That means whenever your value of your asset decreases, the broker will call you for a maintenance margin. This is what we call as margin call. Thank you for watching this video. In my next video, I'll explain you in detail about the margin call. That is, margin call is made by the broker when the value of your investment in a securities falls below a certain level. When margin call is made, you have to invest more money into your securities or sell your part of your securities and fund. So this we discuss in the next video. Thank you for watching the video.